friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, let's start this video. In today's video, I'm going to tell you one thing that is very important. So my dear friend, stay connected with this video till the end. My dear friend, when we start learning this language, at the time only we have one goal to speak this language. हम केवल इंग्लिश बोलना सीखना चाहते हैं जब हम डिसाइड करते हैं. बट when we learn speaking English, after that one more goal we set, and that is fluency, to become fluent in English. So I did the same thing. When I learned this language, I learned how to speak English. I also set one goal to become fluent in English. But I had a wrong definition of fluency. I thought fluency means speak fast, and for becoming fluent in English, I started speaking fast. Most of some learner, they have this myth, and they also have a wrong definition of fluency. The they also think that fluency means speak fast. But no, my dear friend, I had the same myth, I had the same wrong definition. But when I listened native speaker, non-native speaker, tutor, after listening them, I understood and got to know fluency means not speak fast. Fluency means speak more clear, understandable, and with confidence and in flow. That is called fluency. So initially I had this wrong information, and I started learning and speaking fast way. I thought that fluency means speaking fast. But when I got to know the right definition of fluency means speak clear, understandable, in flow, and with confidence. So now I don't try to speak fast. Why, my dear friend? Because my natural speed is not fast. I don't speak fast. I don't speak my native language in fast way. My natural speed is neither fast nor slow. मैं मीडियम में बोलती हूँ. मेरा मीडियम जो है स्पीड है मेरा मदर टंग बोलने का. मेरा यही नेचुरल स्पीड है. So after understanding about fluency, I just work for speaking clear, understandable, in flow, without fumbling and hesitating. Uh, I work on this. I don't try to speak fast. Now I got to know what is called fluency. So if you have such myth, I will say, first break it, and find right information about fluency. And don't try to make yourself to speak fast. Follow your नेचुरल स्पीड. आपका खुद का एक नेचुरल स्पीड है. आप फास्ट बोलते हैं, मीडियम बोलते हैं, स्लो बोलते हैं, जैसे भी बोलते हैं, आपका एक खुद का, हमारा जो है, हम सबका एक नेचुरल स्पीड है. तो हम यही बोलेंगे कि which language, no matter which language you speak, Hindi, English, and anyone, speak in your natural speed, because you will sounds good and that will suit in you. अगर मैं मेरा स्पीड जो है मीडियम है, अगर मैं फास्ट बोलने के लिए ट्राई करूँगी, कोशिश करूँगी, वो मुझ में सूट नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि दैट इज़ अगेंस्ट माई नेचर. दैट इज़ नॉट माई नेचुरल स्पीड. But if I follow my natural speed, then I will sounds good, and that thing suits in me. So fluency means ना फास्ट बोलना होता है ना स्लो बोलना होता है। फ्लुएंसी मीन्स होता है आप कितना क्लियर बोल रहे हैं, अंडरस्टैंडेबल बोल रहे हैं कि आपको लोग समझ पा रहे हैं। आप फ्लो में बोल रहे हैं बिना हेजिटेट किए हुए, बिना फंबल किए हुए, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फ्लुएंसी। आप कॉन्फिडेंट बोल रहे हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फ्लुएंसी। स्पीड आप वही रखिए जो आपका है। आपका फास्ट है, आप फास्ट में ही शूट करेंगे, आपका फास्ट स्पीड आपके ऊपर शूट करेगा। आप स्लो बनने की कोशिश मत करिए। अगर किसी का स्लो है तो वो उसमें ही अच्छे लगेंगे, किसी का मीडियम है तो वो मीडियम में ही अच्छे लगेंगे। सो नाउ आई अंडरस्टूड दिस एंड आई डोंट ट्राई टू स्पीक फास्ट बिकॉज आई गॉट टू नो द रियल definition of fluency. But yeah, I work for fluency to speak more clear in flow and with confidence. So my dear friend, if you have such myth, first break it and get the right information about fluency, and don't try to imitate someone and add someone's speed, someone's nature in you. No, you have your own nature. आपका खुद का एक अलग ही नेचर है, बोलने का, बताने का, समझाने का, हर चीज़ एक्सप्रेस करने का। तो आप खुद का ही नेचर में ही खुद को रखिए, ना किसी को अडॉप्ट करिए और ना ही खुद का जो है लीव करिए, और खुद का नेचर जो है छोड़िए। बिकॉज आवर नेचुरल थिंग्स मेक अस डिफरेंट। हमारा जो तौर तरीका है बोलने का, समझाने का, दिस थिंग्स मेक अस डिफरेंट एंड यूनिक फ्रॉम अदर्स। सो डोंट लीव योर नेचुरलिटी एंड योर यूनिकनेस, बी विथ योर नेचुरलिटी एंड uniqueness, then you will sounds good and more proficient and clear and understandable. So now I learned the real meaning of fluency, and I'm working for speaking fluently and becoming fluent in English. What about you? If you are confused, yeah, if you don't have right information, really you need to get to know right information about fluency. And then after understanding, if you work for fluency, then you will achieve sooner and become fluent in English better. So I hope you find this video valuable. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in the next video. Have a great day.